Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to automate 90% of your content creation workflow using Claude AI and Google Tasks. We'll break down the entire process, from setting up your workspace to building a scalable automated system for video editing, social media, and more. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or aspiring content creator, this guide will help you save time, boost productivity, and stay organized. Let's dive in and see how you can turn Claude AI into your central content architect and Google Tasks into your productivity nerve center. Claude AI isn't just a chatbot. It's your all-in-one content strategist, scriptwriter, editor, and project manager. By setting up Claude as the core of your content system, you can handle research, scripting, design, and workflow automation in one place. We'll show you how to configure Claude with the right instructions, upload your brand assets, and create a dedicated workspace for every platform you use. This way, your content stays consistent, high quality, and always on brand. Claude offers three main models: Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Haiku is perfect for fast, affordable tasks. Sonnet balances speed and versatility for daily scripting and drafting. Opus is your go-to for deep research and complex strategy. By picking the right model for each task, you can manage tokens efficiently and get the best results for your workflow. We'll walk through how to switch models and when to use each one. Organization is key. Claude lets you create up to 5 dedicated projects, each with its own instructions and knowledge base. For example, set up separate workspaces for content strategy, YouTube Studio, social media factory, AI tools, research, and freelance business. This prevents context blending and keeps your assets, scripts, and research organized. Each project can have its own files, guidelines, and focus areas, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Upload your best performing posts, raw transcripts, and brand guidelines into each Claude project. This gives Claude a deep understanding of your voice, style, and audience. Avoid generic articles, focus on your direct assets like YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, and LinkedIn posts. This ensures every output sounds authentic and matches your proven content patterns. Keep your content fresh and human. Set strict anti-AI rules in your project instructions. Ban overused words like delve or game changer, enforce an 8th grade reading level, and use a direct, first-person tone. Keep paragraphs short and vary your sentence lengths. This makes your content easy to read, engaging, and free from generic AI-isms. GIL files are like instructional recipes for Claude. Save your best prompts and workflows as Markdown emd files, think script auditing, hook generation, or thumbnail strategy. This ensures every piece of content follows your proven structure and style no matter who runs the workflow. Consistency becomes automatic and you can easily update your recipes as your brand evolves. Claude doesn't generate images natively, but you can connect it to Higgsfield using the Model Context Protocol (MCP). This unlocks access to over 30 AI models for generating visuals, animations, and video snippets. Claude triggers Higgsfield to create everything from Instagram carousels to YouTube thumbnails, making your content visually engaging without manual design work. Pair Claude Code with Remotion and WhisperX to automate video editing. Remotion handles React-based rendering for animations and B-roll, while WhisperX syncs your audio perfectly. This setup lets you turn raw talking head footage into polished, Vox-style videos with motion graphics and transitions, no manual editing required. Integrate Claude with Chrome browser automation, Gmail, Google Drive, and Notion. With the Claude Chrome extension, you can automate daily routines, capture screenshots, and triage emails. This means you wake up to ready-to-approve content and your inbox stays organized without manual sorting. Claude's content multiplication workflow lets you extract up to 20 assets from a single long-form script. For example, one video script can become 5 YouTube shorts, 5 Instagram reels, 2 carousels, 5 LinkedIn posts, an email newsletter, and 10 hook variations. This maximizes your reach and keeps your message consistent across platforms. Structure your day for maximum output. Start with a 30-minute morning prompt to identify top tasks and triage your inbox. Spend 105 minutes on research and scripting using web connectors for up-to-date facts. Move to production and editing, then repurpose your main script into micro-content. Finally, audit your outputs for retention, hooks, and clarity before publishing. One of the best parts? You don't need to know how to code. Everything is built by communicating with Claude in plain English. This makes the system accessible to everyone, even if you're not technical. Just describe your workflow and Claude handles the rest. Crafting high-quality prompts is essential. Assign roles, specify formats, provide examples, and set clear constraints. This helps Claude deliver exactly what you need, whether it's a YouTube script, a LinkedIn post, or a carousel outline. We'll share tips for prompt structure that get the best results every time. Claude isn't just theory, it's practical. Content creators use it for script writing, idea generation, and YouTube SEO. Graphic designers rely on it for briefs and creative copy. Video editors use it for storyboarding, hooks, and planning B-roll. Whatever your role, Claude adapts to your workflow and helps you get more done. Google Tasks is your productivity backbone. Start by bookmarking the full-screen interface at Tasks.google.com for an uncluttered workspace. Use the sidebar in Gmail, Docs, Drive, or Calendar to access your tasks anywhere. With mobile tricks like the Quick Add Fab and multi-account switching, you can manage work and personal lists seamlessly. Turn emails into actionable tasks instantly. Use shortcuts like Shift+T to convert emails, drag and drop to create tasks, and keep context links for easy reference. Archive emails once they're tasks to keep your inbox clean. On mobile, add emails to tasks with just a tap. This keeps your workflow moving without missing follow-ups. Drag tasks directly onto your Google Calendar to block out work time. Adjust durations, set hard deadlines, and color code your task blocks for clarity. Missed tasks roll over automatically so nothing slips through the cracks. Use the busy status to protect your focus time from meeting invites. Supercharge your tasks with AI. Use Google Gemini to add tasks by voice, summarize documents, and break down big projects into subtasks. Sync reminders from Google Keep, brainstorm weekly goals, and use for smart audio summaries. This automation keeps your task list fresh and actionable. Keep your tasks organized with lists, emojis, and custom sorting. Use subtasks for milestones, star urgent items, and create separate lists for each project or client. The Eisenhower matrix setup helps you prioritize what matters most, while the priority column pipeline keeps your workflow moving from to-do to done. Speed up your workflow with keyboard shortcuts. Indent or outdent tasks, shift items up or down, open detail panes, and mark tasks complete, all without touching your mouse. Use Ctrl+ to view the full shortcut guide inside Google Applications. These tricks save time and keep you in the flow. Assign tasks directly from Google Docs or Chat. Highlight text, add a checkbox, and assign it to a teammate. Tasks sync automatically to your inbox, and you can track progress inside shared documents. Use Google Chat Spaces to delegate and monitor deadlines, keeping your team aligned without endless meetings. Stay productive on the go with Google Tasks mobile features. Add widgets to your home or lock screen, use notification shortcuts, and share text from any app. Swipe to reschedule, batch delete, and use dark mode for battery savings. All changes sync instantly across devices, so you're always up to date. Take your workflow to the next level with Kanban boards, time-critical sorting, and recurring routines. Use Taskboard for visual management, set Monday review rituals, and limit your daily start items to avoid burnout. Archive old tasks instead of deleting, and combine Google Tasks with tools like Todoist for a unified daily planner. Automate your routines with recurring tasks. Set flexible intervals, group by specific days, and add expiration dates for fixed projects. Missed recurring tasks stay visible until resolved, and you can edit single instances without breaking the schedule. Use smart reminders for habits like weekly reviews or monthly reconciliations. Set up Claude projects for each social platform. Give custom instructions to avoid retraining the AI every time. This lets you generate platform-specific content like Instagram carousels, YouTube scripts, or LinkedIn posts, all from one central hub. Claude remembers your preferences and adapts to each channel's style. Use the Claude Chrome extension or upload screenshots of your analytics to get a professional audit of your content strategy. Claude can identify growth opportunities, suggest improvements, and help you optimize your posting schedule for better engagement. Analyze comment sections from your posts or competitors to spot common questions and trends. Claude helps you turn these insights into new content ideas, ensuring your posts address real audience needs and spark engagement. Let Claude generate a 30-day content calendar that alternates between value pillars and formats. This keeps your posting schedule balanced and ensures you never run out of ideas. Track production status, repurposing opportunities, and CTAs for each piece. Pick a day from your content calendar and ask Claude to write a full video script. Include hooks, talking points, and calls to action. Claude can suggest B-roll, on-screen text, and motion graphics opportunities, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. Claude can turn long-form video transcripts into a week's worth of micro-content. Instantly generate captions, newsletters, short-form scripts, and more. This multiplies your reach without multiplying your workload. Set up Claude Cowork to monitor your Gmail, summarize your inbox, and draft replies daily. This acts like an executive assistant, saving you time and keeping your communication on track. Don't create random content every day. Build content pillars like AI tools, video editing, motion graphics, marketing, and freelancing. This gives your brand a clear niche and helps your audience know what to expect. Use Claude's web connectors to research topics, identify key tools, features, pricing, and best use cases. Separate verified facts from your analysis and create content briefs tailored to your audience. This ensures your content is accurate, relevant, and actionable. Ask Claude to generate 50 content ideas for your niche divided by platform and format. For each idea, include the topic, hook, audience pain point, value proposition, CTA, and repurposing potential. This builds a content idea database you can draw from anytime. Prompt Claude to create a 10-minute YouTube script for beginners. Structure it with a powerful hook, problem, explanation, practical workflow mistakes to avoid, and a strong CTA. Include B-roll suggestions, on-screen text, and pattern interrupts every 20-40 seconds for maximum retention. Repurpose a single YouTube video into shorts, reels, LinkedIn articles, carousels, hooks, CTAs, and newsletters. Claude adapts the core message for each platform, maximizing your content's impact and reach. Hooks are critical for grabbing attention. Ask Claude to generate curiosity, contrarian, problem, FOMO, educational, story, and data-driven hooks for your topic. Avoid clickbait, focus on hooks that deliver real value and spark curiosity. Use Claude artifacts to create interactive content calendars. Track your pillars, platforms, status, hooks, CTAs, and repurposing checklist. Filter by platform and add status trackers for each stage from idea to published. Claude can help you brainstorm thumbnail concepts for YouTube. For each, define the main visual, headline, subject placement, background, contrast, and emotional trigger. Use these concepts for A/B testing and take them into your favorite design tool for production. Before publishing, ask Claude to audit your script. Score it for hook, retention, clarity, storytelling, value, and originality. Identify weak sections and rewrite only those parts. This keeps your content sharp and audience-focused. Save a reusable prompt that converts any content into shorts, reels, LinkedIn posts, carousels, threads, newsletters, blog outlines, hooks, quotes, and CTAs. Maintain your brand voice and factual accuracy, but adapt for each platform's style and audience intent. Upload your best writing samples and ask Claude to analyze your style. Identify sentence length, vocabulary, tone, opening style, storytelling, and CTA style. Use this guide to ensure every piece of content matches your unique voice. Integrate Claude with Google Drive for seamless access to research, scripts, brand assets, and analytics. Claude can study your previous work and match your communication style, making every new piece feel familiar and on brand. You've now seen how to build a fully automated content production system using Claude AI and Google Tasks. From setting up your workspace and knowledge base to automating video editing, content repurposing, and daily routines, this blueprint gives you everything you need to scale your content and productivity. Start small, refine your workflows, and watch your creative output multiply without burning out.